Hello everyone, welcome back. So here let's set up your Next.js project. So here search for the Next.js. Okay, so here Next.js by the Versal. So click on the Next.js and here you have installations. Click on this and here we have basically instructions by the Next.js how to set up your Next.js project. Got it? So here step-by-step guide to setting up a full development environment for the Next.js with MongoDB, Node.js, and MUI, that is a material UI, and some other essentials tools like MongoDB and MongoDB Compass and VS Code. So I think the first thing let visit VS Code and install the VS Code. VS Code. Got it. Now here install your VS Code. This is a text editor. So here, mhm. If you have Windows operating systems, then click on this button. Or if you have Debian or Ubuntu, then click on this button. Or if you have a Mac operating system, then click on this button. Got it? So let me. We have a Windows operating system. So let me click on this, and you see that thanks for downloading. But we have already downloaded VS Code. So let me cancel this. So you download this. Okay. So this is a requirement of your full stack project. Okay. Then after that, the next is to install MongoDB. So you click on the MongoDB. MongoDB download for the Windows. So here you have a MongoDB community server. So now here you have a MongoDB. So download the MongoDB community server and follow the setup instruction to install it on your systems. Okay, so here this instruction is simple. Just click on this download buttons and then just perform action next and finish. Okay, so you successfully install this MongoDB in your system. Then the next is to also install MongoDB Compass, and that is GUI tools. MongoDB download Compass. MongoDB Compass is the official GUI tool for the MongoDB download. Okay, so let me here click on this. MongoDB Compass. MongoDB Compass download. Okay, so you make sure that download, and this is the necessary things that you have first download all this, and you will see that here we have a stable version. So let me click on this and then download it. Okay, so you see that here download and just set up it, and we have already downloaded all the necessary software. So you see you see that we have already downloaded MongoDB Compass. Okay, so make sure that you download first from the site, and then after that here you have your URI, and then you click on the connect. Then it automatically connect with the MongoDB. Got it? So let me close this. So here make sure that you download this software MongoDB Compass. Got it? So again here open your browser. Then after that the next is to set up your Next.js project. Got it? So the next thing here, let me cut this. Okay, also cut this, and then you go to the your desktop and then create a new folder. That is a stock. Got it? So you just write the project name stocks, and here we have already downloaded the Visual Studio Code. So make sure that you download first this. Okay, then here click on this three line icon, then here you have your file, then go inside here, add folder to the workspace. So click on this, and then here go to the desktop again, and then here you have your folders. Okay, stop. So here add this in VS Code, then Then after that, so let's click on this. I think here you have a terminal. So here click on the new terminals. Then after that, here create a new Next.js project. So for that, let's open your browser and then visit on the official site of the Next.js, and you will see that here the first thing here, that is how to set up a Next.js project. Got it? So here we have system requirement. So here make sure that you have a Node.js. So let me open this open link in the new tab. Okay, got it. So just here download, click on the this button, download Node.js, and that is the LTS version. Okay, so automatically you download a LTS version. Okay, basically long term support version. Then after that, the next is to let verify that you have successfully installed Node.js or not. We have already downloaded, so let's just verify that we have Node.js or not. And with the Node.js, you will also get the npm, basically node package managers. So after that, here verify. Okay, so verify the installation. After the installations, you open your terminal and run the command, that is a node space dash b. Okay, so let's just verify that node space dash v. So just wait, and you see that here we have downloaded the latest version. Okay, basically download Node.js, and you see that 22.11.0. Okay, so we have already downloaded the your latest version Node.js. Okay, so then after that, the next is to also verify that you have npm or not. Npm is installed with Node.js. Okay, if you install Node.js, then by default also install the npm with the Node.js. Okay, so here mhm, just verify the installations. So you write the npm and then in space, then after that dash, then you write the v. If you have a version, then it means you have successfully installed. Okay, and if you get anything other than this version like 10.9 or dot zero, then it means there's something wrong. Okay, so make sure that first you successfully install your Node.js version. Okay, latest version, and then simultaneously we will get the npm library. Okay, basically node package manager we will get along the Node.js. Okay, then this should display the version of Node.js and npm installs, indicating that the installation was successful. It means if you indicating this version, it means you have successfully installed the Node.js and the npm package. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next videos.